Hi, this is Darrell Barnes. I call myself Brother Barnes, and I want to talk about why I love Chemistry, Structure, and Properties General Chemistry textbook by Dr. Tro and published by Pearson. I love the readability of the textbook. I love how the online matches to book examples. I want to talk about that in just a minute. And I love Dr. Tro's instructional videos. He is unbelievably personable and informative. Thank you, Dr. Tro. All right, I want to talk about how the online matches to the book examples. I'm teaching a General Chemistry 1 lab, and some of my students, when it was about time for lab to be over, they wanted to talk about a problem in Chapter 4 online in the Watch and Learn lesson. And it was a problem on how to determine an empirical formula. And I would say this is kind of moderate level difficulty. It's not the hardest problem I've ever worked in chemistry. It's not the easiest either. Well, let me tell you why this is so important. The reason this is important is that the online question that we finally solved together in a group effort had a exactly similar correlating example in the book. Thank you. It just had different numbers in it. And unfortunately, I got bogged down. And if you'll notice right in here, it talks about moles. And if you notice in here, it talks about grams. And I got moles and gram units mixed up. It delayed me, but ultimately it was the tutorial in the book that put me on the right path to get the correct answer to this empirical formula problem. Love it, love it, love it. Dr. Tro's instructional videos are also magnificent. He does a fantastic job. I have to say, out of all of the science books I've ever read in my life, I love Dr. Tro's book the best. Keep up the good work. I am excited about teaching this class just because of the awesomeness, if that is a word, of the resources. Thank you, Pearson.